Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update LookML models in Looker for scalable reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating LookML models in Looker for scalable reporting, open your Looker instance and log in. Navigate to the Develop section located in the left sidebar. Select Manage LookML projects to view your current LookML projects. Choose the project that contains the model you wish to update. Click on the model file to open it in the Looker IDE. Review the existing model code to understand its structure and functionality. Identify areas where updates are necessary for improved scalability. Consider aspects such as field performance, data relationships, and explore definitions. Make your adjustments directly in the Looker IDE. You can add new measures or dimensions that support your reporting needs. If applicable, optimize SQL queries to enhance performance. Ensure you maintain naming conventions and best practices to keep the code clean. Use the Validate button to check for syntax errors after making changes. Once validation is successful, write a brief description of the changes you made. Commit your changes by clicking the Commit Changes button. If your organization uses version control, push your changes to the repository. Inform your team of the updates you've made, if necessary. Monitor the impact of these changes in user reports and dashboards. Collect feedback from end users on the new model performance. Make iterative improvements based on the feedback received. Continue to regularly update your LookML models to ensure optimal performance and scalability. This process will help maintain effective reporting capabilities in Looker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.